A wireless HDMI extender allows you to transmit high-quality video and audio signals from one device to another without the need for long cables. This is perfect for home entertainment systems, conference rooms, or any setup where running physical HDMI cables is impractical. Whether you're looking to stream 4K content or simply eliminate clutter, a reliable HDMI wireless extender can provide a seamless solution. Here are the best 5 HDMI wireless extender on the market, offering excellent range, reliability, and performance. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Vikefon HDMI Wireless Extender. Experience the future of wireless connectivity with the Vikefon Wireless HDMI Extender. Designed to deliver seamless, high-definition video and audio transmission, this cutting-edge device is perfect for home entertainment, business presentations, gaming, and more. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to crystal-clear visuals and effortless setup. Ultra HD resolution for stunning clarity. The Vikefon supports video resolutions up to 1080p Full HD and 720p, ensuring sharp, vivid images on your large screen. Whether you're streaming movies, hosting a business meeting, or gaming, the built-in chip eliminates lag and delay caused by signal interference, delivering a smooth and immersive experience. 5G transmission for unmatched stability. Operating on the 5.8 GHz interference-free frequency band, this extender offers fast, reliable transmission with strong anti-interference capabilities. Enjoy uninterrupted streaming and gaming with a stable signal that keeps up with your needs. Infrared remote control for convenience. Control your DVD or TV set-top box effortlessly with the built-in IR infrared transmission. Use the remote control at the receiving end to manage your devices without hassle, making it ideal for home theaters or conference rooms. Plug-and-play simplicity. No drivers or apps required. The Vikefon is easy to set up and use. Simply connect and pair your devices to wirelessly mirror and share content, photos, videos, games, movies, presentations, and more on your big screen. Extended range for maximum flexibility. With a transmission range of up to 328 feet, 100 meters, in open spaces and 100 feet, 1030 meters through walls, this extender covers large rooms and conference spaces effortlessly. No need for long HDMI cables. Enjoy high-quality audio and video transmission without limitations. Versatile compatibility. Compatible with laptops, PCs, Macs, smartphones, gaming consoles, PS4/5, Switch, cameras, and more, the Vikefon is your all-in-one solution for wireless connectivity. Pros: 5G transmission, remote control, long transmission distance, and versatile use. Cons: obstacle dependency and signal reliability. Number 4. Vikefon 4K 200mm HDMI Wireless Extender. Experience seamless, high-quality streaming like never before with the Vikefon Wireless HDMI Extender. Designed for versatility and performance, this powerful device lets you wirelessly transmit 4K Ultra HD video and audio from your laptop, PC, Mac, smartphone, gaming console, PS4/5, Switch, or camera to your HD TV, projector, or monitor. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to effortless connectivity. Unmatched performance. Powered by a high-performance processing chip and advanced Wi-Fi module, the Vikefon ensures smooth, lag-free streaming. Enjoy 4K HDR video and audio with zero delays, even at distances of up to 165 feet, 50 meters. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or presenting, the built-in chip eliminates signal interference for a flawless experience. Stunning 4K resolution. Supporting resolutions up to 4K, 1080p Full HD and 720p. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers crystal-clear visuals and immersive sound. Transform your living room, conference room, or classroom into a high-definition hub for entertainment or professional use. Extended range and flexibility. With a remarkable transmission range of up to 200 meters in open spaces and 1030 meters through walls, the Vikefon offers unparalleled flexibility. No more long HDMI cables. Stream content effortlessly across large rooms or between devices. Plug-and-play simplicity. Setting up is a breeze. No drivers or apps are required, just plug in and start streaming. The HDMI loop-out function allows you to connect additional display devices, making it perfect for multi-screen setups. Sleek and durable design. Featuring a classic, modern design, the Vikefon wireless is built to last. Its rust-resistant construction ensures long-term durability, while its compact size makes it easy to integrate into any setup. Compatibility and versatility. Compatible with popular streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and more, this device breathes new life into older TVs. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or presenting, the Vikefon is your all-in-one solution for wireless 4K connectivity. Pros: 4K Ultra HD resolution, long transmission range, supports many streaming apps and high-performance chip. Cons: potential latency and reliability. Number 3. Ytxun HW202 HDMI Wireless Extender. The Ytxun HW202 Wireless HDMI Extender delivers an outstanding solution for anyone seeking a reliable, high-quality, and hassle-free way to wirelessly transmit HDMI signals. Whether you're setting up a home theater system, hosting a live event, or managing a corporate presentation, this device ensures seamless, high-definition content delivery with minimal setup required. Long range, high performance. With a remarkable transmission range of up to 200 meters, 656 feet, in an open field, the HW202 ensures that your HDMI signal stays strong and clear over long distances. Even through walls or obstacles, it offers reliable signal delivery for ranges of 10 to 50 meters, 32 to 165 feet, making it perfect for indoor spaces. Thanks to its advanced 5G transmission protocol and an external high-performance antenna, you can enjoy smooth, uninterrupted video without interference, even in crowded environments. Plug-and-play simplicity. Experience the easiest installation possible with no software, apps, or complicated settings. The Ytxun is designed for true plug-and-play convenience. Simply connect the transmitter and receiver, and they automatically pair when they're within range. It's perfect for those who want a quick and easy solution without the need for technical expertise. Full HD 1080p wireless transmission. The Ytxun supports a full 1080p resolution at 60 Hz, delivering crisp, clear visuals and stable transmission, even for fast-moving content like sports programs. Enjoy vibrant colors and high-quality sound without distortion or noise. With a 2.4 GHz transmission rate, your entertainment experience will be smoother than ever. Low latency and local loop-out function. Enjoy ultra-low latency with less than 100 ms delay, well below the typical 300 ms found in other market offerings. The HW202 also includes an HDMI loop-out function, allowing for local display while transmitting wirelessly, perfect for viewing in different rooms or locations simultaneously. Wide compatibility and protection. The Ytxun is compatible with most HDMI-equipped devices, including TVs, projectors, gaming consoles, and more. It also offers superior surge and ESD protection to keep your devices safe from unexpected electrical surges and thunderstrikes. Pros: long transmission range, low latency, local loop-out and surge/ESD protection. Cons: obstacle sensitivity and dependence on optimal conditions. Number 2. Unnlink HDMI Wireless Extender. Experience the future of wireless HD transmission with the Unnlink HDMI Wireless Extender. Designed for both professional and personal use, this cutting-edge device delivers unparalleled performance, making it the ultimate solution for your audio-visual needs. Key features: crystal clear Full HD 1080p transmission. Enjoy flawless, high-definition video and audio streaming up to 200 meters in barrier-free environments. Whether you're hosting a conference, setting up a home theater, or managing security cameras, the Unnlink extender ensures every detail is captured in stunning clarity. Plug-and-play simplicity. No drivers, no apps, no extra Wi-Fi required. Simply pair the transmitter and receiver, and you're ready to go. Its user-friendly design makes setup effortless, saving you time and hassle. Versatile connectivity options. 1-to-1 mode, perfect for conference room projections or home entertainment systems. 1-to-4 mode, stream content from one transmitter to 4 receivers, ideal for multi-room setups. Watch your living room TV in different bedrooms with synchronized viewing. 4-to-1 mode, ideal for security monitoring, displaying feeds from multiple cameras on a single screen. Enhanced control capabilities. Use IR or mouse/keyboard remote control to manage your devices seamlessly. Connect external 3.5mm speakers for an immersive audio experience. Transmitter local HD loop out allows for quick local viewing and debugging. Wide compatibility. Works with most HDMI-enabled devices, including DVD players, DVRs, TV set-top boxes, HD cameras, laptops, gaming consoles, PS3/PS4/PS5, and more. Connect the receiver to HD TVs, projectors, or monitors for a truly versatile setup. Big screen benefits. Elevate your meetings, presentations, or home entertainment with larger displays that are easier on the eyes, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience. Pros: long-distance wireless transmission, high-quality video, remote control functionality, and broad compatibility. Cons: power requirements and barrier-free limitation. Number 1 and the winner is Exvist IDS2EV11 HDMI Wireless Extender. The Exvist HDMI Wireless Extender, a game-changing solution for seamless HDMI streaming and connectivity. Designed for both home and professional use, this powerful transmitter and receiver set provides a long-range wireless connection, capable of reaching up to 328 feet, 100 meters, with reliable dual-band Wi-Fi support. Whether you're streaming high-definition movies, presentations, or gaming content, the Exvist ensures crisp, high-quality visuals with up to 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second. Enjoy flawless playback, rich details, and stunning clarity without the hassle of tangled cables. One of the standout features of the Exvist is its intuitive and easy-to-use pairing mechanism. Simply connect the transmitter and receiver via a single Ethernet cable for quick, seamless setup. The device is also equipped with an IR remote control for convenient signal output control, making it perfect for conference rooms, home theaters, or classrooms where easy, hands-free operation is essential. The Exvist also offers compatibility with the RTSP protocol, ensuring smooth video playback via popular platforms like VLC Player. With its dual-band, 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz support and dual 5 dB antennas, this HDMI extender delivers stable, uninterrupted wireless transmission even in environments with multiple devices or signal interference. For those who need more flexibility, the Exvist includes wired extension capabilities, allowing you to extend the signal range up to 656 feet, 200 meters, via a switch. This ensures the device can adapt to your specific installation needs, whether you're working in a large home, office, or event space. Experience the ultimate in wireless HDMI connectivity with the Exvist, combining high-resolution video, extended range, and robust performance in one sleek and efficient package. Perfect for any environment where flexibility, clarity, and ease of use are paramount. Pros: long-range wireless transmission, IR remote control, easy pairing mechanism, and wired extension capability. Cons: high price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.